What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Guys, today's video is about Workhorse. I'm going to give you guys an update on what to expect. I hope you guys have been building out your position. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. I also wanted to touch on the fact that today is the end of the week. We had a couple option plays, or we had one option play. I had a few option plays, but we had one that we did together. Rocket initially started off with a little momentum, but the rest of the day, at least for me, I didn't see it pick up any more steam. My contract expired worthless, man. I'm curious to hear about you guys' experience on this first time out. Regardless, I'm proud of you guys for getting your feet wet. Now you know what the game is about, as well as what the potential opportunities are. Listen, guys, without further ado, we're going to take a look at my portfolio and get right to it. Hey, guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $54,678.47. On the day, we're down pretty much flat, man, and that's how the options went as well. Okay, on the week, we are at break even, pretty much almost 1%. On the month, we are again at break even. Again, nothing to write home about. If I take you guys out 3 months, we're up 9%. If we go out 1 year, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we're up 16%. And if we go out all time, yep, the same thing is true. We're up 16%. Listen, guys, I come on here every day. I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build your investment portfolio as well as options, okay? So if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe and join the journey. We're on a road to 100K. The first goal was 10K, and now you see where we're at right now, man. So today, guys, is all about Workhorse. I want to give you guys an end of the week update as we again transition into their possible contract with USPS, okay? Workhorse is one of the stocks that actually did do well today, and if I had hindsight, this would have been the play that we played instead of Rocket. But either way, ticker symbol WKHS is currently sitting at $30.79. It is crushing it today, up almost 10%, man. Listen, guys, you already know we've been in this play for quite some time. That's not the point of today's video. We are approaching the end of the month, and the end of the month is when we can expect to hear their announcement one way or another. I told you I like Workhorse regardless of this contract. However, a lot is riding on it from a stock perspective, okay? Regardless though, for me, Workhorse is going to do its thing with or without this, because I'm telling you, they can do so much more and do this and replicate this with plenty of other companies outside of USPS. All right, but check this out, man. I need you guys to continue to hold on to this for the foreseeable future. This is a great long-term play, but it's also a great short-term play for those of you that just want to get in and get out and make some good money, okay? Those of you that's been rocking with us, we've been in this for quite some time, so you are up pretty substantially right now as we speak, okay? But regardless, man, again, this is another good play for you guys. If you don't have it as part of your portfolio, consider adding it. It's not too late. So I know I'm going to get a million questions about, is it too late to get in? It's not too late. If you get in now, your time horizon for when you sell is just pushed out a little bit longer, okay? Again, if you get in now, you just need to be prepared to hold it a little longer than everybody else that been got into it in the low teens, all right? But check this out, guys. Another stock that was on fire today is our HYLIION play, okay? For this, until the merger, the ticker symbol is SHLL. Again, guys, there's always somewhere in the market that is going crazy, okay? Rocket was down today. That's a good example. But if you guys invest in the other plays we talk about, you should have been up big today in these other plays, okay? The market was wild this week in general, but there was a lot of stocks that went crazy and went up, like Tesla did good this week for the most part. Workhorse crushed it. HYLIION crushed it. Rocket towards the end of the week faded. So that's the point, and that's the reason why it's important to be diversified, okay? But again, up 4.3% on the day. You can't beat that, man. That is good stuff. If you don't already have it, please establish your position and fully build them out so you guys can continue to eat off of these and enjoy the success of these wonderful stocks. All right, listen guys, I won't belabor the point today. I wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about our word of the day, and our word of the day is loss aversion. Loss aversion, guys, I'm just going to give you the real version. All right, I'm going to give you the real definition. Simply put, it is those of you that can't see or can't stomach to see your stocks go down. Okay, it does something to you. It makes you panic. It gets you all freaked out. Okay, you have to know for yourself what your tolerance level is. Some people can handle more risk than others, and so that's why it's never good to just put people in one category or one particular basket, okay? Because everyone is different. Everyone responds different to seeing their portfolio go up, seeing it go down. Some are able to stay cool, calm, and collective. Some, it's just in your nature to go crazy, freak out, pull your hair out, and do all those types of things. I'm not harping on either or. I'm just introducing the word in terms of knowing what that is when you do that, okay? And so it's important to know that if that's you, then you need to be mindful of that, and you need to invest accordingly based on your personality type, based on your characteristics of how you react to certain things, okay? And I'm just talking stocks. You guys know yourself better than I can ever know yourself, so you know if you do this in other areas of your life as well, okay? But listen guys, I just wanted to put that on you guys today. Again, I want you guys to get prepared for another great week in the stock market coming up, and let's get ready to have some fun. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Jenny D. She says, I have a total of 12 shares of Tesla. Took your suggestion and got 2 before the split and 2 after the split on the dip. I did my first option this morning and learned so much. You're awesome and grateful to have found your channel. I am addicted. Hey guys, the main thing, one, Jen, I want to send you some love and tell you thanks for sending this comment in, all right? But the last part is what I want to highlight. The part about being addicted, man. I don't know about you guys, but there's no greater feeling right now, at least in my opinion, than the stock market. Everything about it excites me. Every day I'm happy to get up and interact with you guys and talk stocks and talk different plays and things of that nature. And she just reiterated a point that so many of you, at least that I know, that I interact with, feel as well. That feeling of addiction that she's referring to. It's almost an excitement, a kid-like joy, if you will. And again, she highlighted it, but I've even heard that come up on a few coaching calls that I had throughout this week, okay? And so I already know, but that's why I try to be a voice of reason to make sure that I'm helping you pace yourself, helping you maintain your composure through the ups and the downs, okay? It's one thing to be hyped when you hit a home run, but it's another thing to be down in the dumps if your stock happen to be down for just one day, okay? And so we gotta find an even balance. I like the fact that Gian and so many of you are addicted, but again, taper that with the level of caution just to make sure that you balance everything out. Listen guys, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.